Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Ferroli. It's completely dead, no display, nothing, no hot water or heating. We're going to diagnose this boiler and we're going to repair it, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, the first thing I'm going to do with this boiler is, because it's completely dead, I want to check if there's any power coming to it. Then I'm going to check the fuses on it. But also I'm going to do some visual inspection on the board, see if it's burnt out or anything. Now the fuse is fine. There is 240 coming to the boiler, but but there's no power going to the pump or the fan. So I believe the circuit board is damaged on this. So we're going to be changing the circuit board on this. Right, change the circuit board on this, guys. Completely did the power wires. Got it all working. It's all working fine now. Why did I come to a conclusion it was the circuit board? Because there was no power. It was completely dead. It wasn't sending any power apart from the pump. It wasn't sending any power to the fan or anything. So it's completely dead. So anyway, I've changed the power circuit board, and it's a brand new circuit board, and that's it. Right guys, I've sorted the boiler. It's all working fine now. This lady wants to give me a review, and hopefully she'll say some kind words about me. Here you go.
Hi guys, this gentleman came to rescue us. We had few hiccups, but it's working, and I'm glad it's working. It's been, I was quite worried about heating was gone and no hot water, but it's all sorted now. So I recommend visit this gentleman's page. Yeah, and do get help if you need it. Thanks.
And what's your TikTok channel? She's also on TikTok.
Yeah, I'm also on TikTok. Growing channel. It's Isa Liza. It's Isa Liza. So you can visit my page if you like. Yeah.
I'll put a description on it.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you
for your help.
Thank you.
Right.
Guys, all sorted now. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.